Meet Noorden Kesoma, the entrepreneur making bamboo bicycles that sell globally. In the current world, having a unique skill and being creative has proven to give various entrepreneurs an edge in the highly competitive job market. For Noorden Kesoma, his innovative bamboo bicycles have earned him global recognition. Kesoma owns a workshop in Kampala, Uganda and has employed at least 20 people in his venture. The Ugandan initially worked as an electrician, and his love for bicycles saw him purchase one using his first salary. I fell in love with the bicycle and looked at it as a symbol of prosperity. After my first salary as an electrician, I bought a bicycle to help me move around town, he said in a past interview. The youthful entrepreneur learned the skills of making bicycles from American bike frame designer and manufacturer Craig Calfee. He also improved his skills through online tutorials. Kesoma is the founder of Bugali Bicycles. He explains that the name Bugali is derived from the last letters of bamboo and gali, which is the Buganda name for a bicycle. They make various bicycles ranging from mountain bikes, city bikes, travel bikes and road bikes. Kesoma's idea of using bamboo trees to make bicycle frames was influenced by the fact that this would reduce carbon emissions. To begin with, the bamboo trees he uses take up to 3 years to mature and utilize carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Secondly, his venture would provide a substitute for the importation of carbon frames. I came up with the idea of connecting the bicycle with the environment so that we can reduce on carbon footprints of our community, he says. Another advantage of using bamboo is its flexibility, and this serves to absorb shock. He adds, when it comes to bamboo bicycles, especially when riding off-road, it's really comfortable. Bamboo is flexible, hence giving that kind of shock absorption. The entrepreneur utilizes various geometric shapes and designs for the frames. He then gives them an artistic finish by use of locally available materials. Bugali bicycles retail from $350 to $450 and is sold in Uganda, East Africa, Europe, and America. You can reach out to Kesoma and pay a small fee to learn how to make bamboo bicycles and start your own business. You could also buy them from him and sell them to your markets. The bamboo business is still not very common in all parts of the world. This could be an opportunity for you to ride on it before the market gets saturated. Remember, we are here to learn, make money and invest. Please share this video, it could help someone looking for a business to invest in. We hope this video has been helpful. Till next time, goodbye and good luck.